Good morning. Today is Friday, May 1st, and I'm going to start with our math lesson. So go ahead and you can get your math paper out of your packet, and we're going to do that together. Today we are going to work to find different numbers that make 10. That's kind of what we were doing yesterday, and we're going to continue it today. So go ahead and pull your math worksheet out. I'll pull it up on my screen. All right, so it looks like you're going to need a pencil and two different colored crayons for this. And I'm going to look at the first one. It says color 2 boxes red the 5 group way, color the rest blue to make 10. Fill in the number sentence. So this is kind of what we've been doing this week. So we're going to just start at the very beginning. Color 2 boxes red. So go ahead and get out a red crayon, and we're just coloring 2. 1, 2. Good. Now, to make this easier with our addition sentence, I want you to take that crayon. We don't usually write with crayon, but we'll do it this time. And I want you to go ahead and write the number 2, because we had 2 boxes that were red. So go ahead and write that number 2 right there in the first box for our addition sentence. Now, if it's an addition sentence, we know that we're going to make our number bigger. So you had 2 red boxes, and now it says color the rest of them blue to make 10. So I'm going to go ahead and get my blue crayon. And it says color the rest of the boxes blue to make 10. So we know 10 is our big number. That's going to be our whole number. We need to get to that number. We already have 2. So I'm going to count on in my head. I'm going to think, I already have 2. What number comes after 2? 3. So I'm going to color 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, we wanted to count all the way up to 10. So I'm going to take my pencil back out. We know that the end number is 10 because there are 10 boxes that we colored in. Let's double check to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. I had 10 boxes. 2 of those boxes were red. How many of the boxes are blue? Go ahead and get your blue crayon again. We're going to count just the blue boxes this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of the boxes are blue. So that means 2 plus 8 equals 10. 2 boxes that were red plus 8 boxes that are blue equal 10. 10 is our whole number. You can see, thinking back to our part, whole, our whole number is 10. That means 2 and 8 are our parts. Good. All right, we're going to go on to the next problem. It says color 5 boxes red, the 5 group way. Color the rest blue to make 10. Fill in the number sentence. So I'm going to go right back over and get my red crayon. I know that's what I need next. And it says color 5 boxes red. So we're going to color it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And just like I did on my last problem, I'm going to go ahead and write a 5 right there at the beginning of my addition sentence. If it's addition, it means we're going to make the number bigger. So I had 5 red, and it says color the rest blue to make 10. So once again, I'm going to get my blue crayon out and color the rest of the squares, because we know that we want to get to 10. Let's see if we did that. So we had 5. We had 5. Let's double check. I'm going to get out my pencil again just to check with you. We had 5 red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I colored the rest blue. Let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Still have 10. Remember, 10 is the big whole number that we're trying to get to. how many of those boxes are blue? So that means I just want to look at the blue ones. How many boxes are blue? Well, let's count. Let's count. Let's see. 1, 2, I'm gonna just put little dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 5 of them are blue. Well, let's see, can I still make this part whole? I had 5 red ones and 5 blue ones. So 5 red boxes, 5 blue boxes. How many boxes all together? Means, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, I can check it with my fingers. If 10 is our big whole number, we can go ahead and put a W underneath it, and we can put our parts in. Part, whole. 5 red ones are the first part, 5 blue ones are the second part. Put them together, and you get 10. That's your big whole number. The next problem says color 7 boxes red the 5 group way, color the rest blue to make 10. Fill in the number sentence. So I'm gonna go back to my red crayon. Color 7 boxes red. So go ahead, color 7 boxes red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm gonna go ahead, and that's the number we start out with, our 7 red boxes. Oh, it looks like it's taking a minute to catch up to you here. There it is. It looks like we have our 7 red boxes. So I'm gonna make that my very first number, 7. That's the number that we start with. So go ahead, put your 7 in there. And it says the rest of them are blue. Color the rest blue to make 10. So go ahead, get your blue crayon out. We're going to color the rest blue. Now I know that I left off at 7. So what number comes after 7? Think in your head. Yeah, 8. So 7, I'm gonna start with 8, 9, 10. Ooh. So I had 7, I added a few more blue boxes, and now I have 10. So go back and write with your pencil 10. It's the number we ended with. And now I need to go back and count the number of blue boxes that I had added. So you're gonna just take your pencil and count the number of blue boxes. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, looks like I added 3 blue boxes. All right, well now I wanna check it. I have a 7, a 3, and a 10. My whole number is my big number. What do you see? 10, good. So go ahead, put your W for your whole number, which means that 7 and 3 are your parts. I'm gonna let my pen kind of catch up here. It looks like it's a little bit frozen. It'll get there in just a second. I hope so. Uh-oh, looks like I lost my connection here. That's okay. I'll pull it back up. There we go. Not sure what happened, but if you need to check your paper with mine, it looks like that. And then we're gonna do the next page. This one says to match. Match. So just like we did, now this time you don't have to do any of the coloring, they already did it for you. I'll show you how to do the first one. And I might even do the first row with you, and then I'm gonna see if you can do the last ones by yourself. So in our first group of 10, right here, you see that there are 2 boxes filled in, plus how many white boxes? Well, you're gonna have to count the white boxes. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 8 equals, well, we know it's a 10 frame, so we know that it equals 10. If you want to check that, you can go back and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 all together. Good. Now you're going to look over at this side, over here, to see which one matches that. So which one has 2 plus 1 equals 10? Is it, let's see, is it this top one right here? Does that say 2 plus 8 equals 10? No. How about the next one? 8 plus 2 equals 10. Ooh. Well, it's out of order, but is that okay when we add? Yes. It doesn't matter the order when we're adding. You could say that there were 8 white boxes and 2 black ones, or 2 black boxes and 8 white ones. It doesn't matter what order you put them in. So you can go ahead. You found what you were looking for. You can go ahead and connect. Take your pen. You can connect the two with just one big line. Now we're going to look at the second one. Let's see. We might have to do a little bit of erasing here to free up some space, and that's okay. All right, and the next one, I'll use a different color. I can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes that are checkered or black, plus how many white ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 that are checkered or black filled in, plus 4 white ones. We know it equals, do you remember how many we had altogether? 10. So I need to find the equation or number sentence that says 6 plus 4 equals 10. So I'm going to look at the top. Does that one say 6 plus 4 equals 10? No. Does this one say 6 plus 4 equals 10? No. What about this one? Yeah, 6 plus 4 equals 10. Perfect. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and take my pen, draw a line. There you go. And our last one, let's see. I'll get my red pen out again. I think it's a little easier to see. You have, let's count all of the checkered boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 that have checkers or are shaded in black, plus how many white ones? 1 equals how many all together? 10. Good. So we had 9 checkered ones plus 1 white one equals 10 altogether. Let's double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. And now you have to find the equation or number sentence on the other side. So do you see 1 plus 9 equals 10 or 9 plus 1 equals 10? Yes, remember it's adding, so it doesn't have to be in the same order. It could say 9 plus 1 or 1 plus 9. Both of them equal 10 because we are adding. All right, I'm going to have you draw a line to connect, and you have done the whole first top of the page. I'm going to let you do the bottom page. So just like we did together, you're going to do it now on your own. You're going to take a look at these. You're going to take a look. Let me pull it up here. Over here. And you're going to write the number sentence out just like we did and find its match over here, just like we practiced up at the top. And that's the rest of the math for the week. So I hope that makes sense to you. And as usual, if you have a question, let your mommy and daddy know and they can email me. I hope you have a very fun weekend. Bye.